Welcome to the floating cloud meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and let your hands rest loosely in your lap or by your sides. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. And as you exhale slowly, allow your body to begin to relax deeply. Throughout this meditation, visualize your thoughts as clouds. Each one is unique. Some are large and full, others light and wispy. Today, we'll watch them float by, carrying away our stresses and clearing our mind. Breathe in slowly through your nose, drawing the air deeply into your chest. Hold that breath for a count of 3. Now, release it gradually through your mouth. Feel each exhale washing away worries and tension. Continue this deep breathing, allowing a natural rhythm to establish itself, each breath bringing you deeper into relaxation. Now bring your attention to the very top of your head. Notice any sensation here, warmth, tingling, or perhaps neutrality. Allow this awareness to slowly travel down, relaxing your forehead, your eyebrows, and the corners of your eyes. Soften your cheeks, part your lips slightly, and let your jaw unclench. Feel this wave of relaxation moving down your neck, releasing any tightness in your shoulders. Let it flow through your arms all the way to your fingertips, relaxing each part as it goes. Every breath you take continues to relax you deeper. Imagine you are lying in a serene, grassy field. The sky above you is vast and clear, a beautiful canvas of blue. Begin to see clouds forming in this sky, each one representing a thought, a worry, or a stressor in your life. As these clouds materialize, observe their shapes and the speed at which they drift across the sky. They are light and effortless, moving with the breeze. Each cloud that passes over you carries away a bit of your stress, leaving your mind clearer and more peaceful. Continue to watch these clouds as they gracefully float across the sky. Notice how the sky clears as each cloud moves on, taking your stresses with it. With every cloud that passes, feel your mind becoming lighter, freer from the weight of your thoughts. Each breath you take sends these clouds further away, enhancing the clarity and tranquility of your mind. Enjoy this sensation of space and freedom as the clean, open sky mirrors the calmness in your mind. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in this visualization. The field, the sky, the passing clouds, all contributing to a profound sense of peace and relaxation. With each passing minute, feel yourself more detached from your usual worries, floating in this peaceful expanse. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present. Notice the ground beneath you, the air against your skin, and the ambient sounds that surround you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Stretch if you need to, and smile softly. Thank you for taking this time to join in the floating cloud meditation. Remember this feeling of calm and clarity and carry it with you throughout your day. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, and through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.